Hello, dear students. Myself Rajmati Thain. Welcome to the session of Dr. Homi Bhabha Balvaidnyanik competition. Dr. Homi Bhabha Balvaidnyanik competition is for standard 6 and 9 standard students. This exam is based on science subject. In this exam, there are 100 multiple choice questions and students have to solve this 100 question in 90 minutes. Dr. Homi Bhabha Balvaidnyanik competition exam is a unique and different because this exam having 4 different stages. Stage 1 theory competition, stage 2 practical exam, stage 3 project, stage 4 interview. So for stage 1, that is theory exam, this year theory exam is on 8 November 2025. So only 60 days are remaining. So dear students, I have decided to take small classes for you which help you to recall your learning and understanding. So in that today I just take revision of your chapter, that is measurement. So dear students, in our day-to-day life, we are using this term, that is measurement, and we are measuring so many things. For example, we are measuring our temperature, we are measuring the length of our book. Like this, we are measuring so many things in our day-to-day life. So measurement is necessary to answer a such question, and without measurement you cannot make the correct judgment of length, volume, mass, temperature of a given object. You should know the definition of measurement. Measurement is a comparison of unknown quantity with the same known fixed quantity of the same kind, that is called measurement. Any measurement consists of two parts. First one, that is number and unit. For example, we are saying that 15 minute. We are saying that 2 liter. 2 is number and liter is the unit. So the choice of the unit is based on the certain requirement. हमें क्या measure करना है उसके ऊपर unit के choice depend होता है, and the unit should be independent of the time and place of the measurement. So the SI unit and symbol of some physical quantity. For example, we have to measure the length, we are using the unit, that is meter. We have to measure the mass, we are using the kilogram. We have to measure the time, we are using the second. We have to measure the electric current, we are using the unit, that is ampere. So the unit which are accepted all over the world as the basic unit of the measurement are called the standard units. So you should know the some standard unit. For mass, kg, kilogram is the standard unit. For length, meter is the standard unit, symbol is small m. For time, second is the unit, symbol is s. For temperature, standard unit is Kelvin, symbol is capital K. Then for current, standard unit is ampere, symbol is A. So this one is the list of standard unit. So there are three system, SI or System International, and is also known as MKS system. There are three system, MKS system, CGS system and FPS systems. So first one, that is we see the units in the different system. So in the MKS system, meter, kilogram, second is used for length, mass, time. In the CGS system, centimeter, gram, second are the unit of the length, mass and time respectively. Now see the sum. fundamental quantity, see the some physical quantity and their unit, formula, unit in the CGS, then in MKS system. So length, a displacement length formula is yes, CGS unit is centimeter, MKS unit is meter, and SI unit is meter. For the mass, formula is M, CGS unit is gram, MKS unit is kilogram, SI unit is kilogram. For the time, symbol is T, CGS unit is second, MKS unit is second, SI unit is second. For the weight, formula W is equal to mg. CGS unit is dyne, MKS unit is Newton, SI unit is Newton. For the force, formula F is equal to MA. CGS unit is gram centimeter per second square, that is dyne. MKS unit is kilogram meter second square. Then SI unit is Newton. For the pressure, formula is equal to force upon area. Unit is dyne per centimeter square. CGS unit. MKS unit is Newton per meter square. SI unit is Pascal. Then density, formula density is equal to mass upon volume. Unit is gram per centimeter cube और ग्राम पर सीसी CGS यूनिट है, किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब दैट इज MKS यूनिट है. देन एरिया कैपिटल A is equal to length into breadth. Unit CGS unit is centimeter square, MKS unit is meter square. Then volume, length into breadth into height. This one is the formula. CGS unit centimeter square है, MKS centimeter cube है, MKS unit meter cube है. Velocity is equal to distance upon time. CGS यूनिट है सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, MKS यूनिट है मीटर पर सेकेंड. Dear student, along with you should know the list count of any measuring equipment, that is small quantity that we can measure accurately by using that instrument, and that one is called list count. So you should know the list count of some instrument like meter scale 1 millimeter है, vernier caliper 0.1 millimeter, then micrometer screw gauge 0.01 millimeter, protector 1 degree. This one is the least count of some measuring instruments. Now you should know the some physical terms and their instruments which are used to measure that. For example, we have to measure the atmospheric pressure. We are using barometer. Charge on a body, gold leaf electroscope, current, anemometer, potential difference, voltmeter, temperature, thermometer, mass, beam balance, weight, spring balance, specific heat, calorimeter, anomalous behavior of water, Hope apparatus, density of liquid, that is hydrometer. Then dear students, you should know the conversion also for Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius. Then when temperature is given into Celsius, when we add 273, we obtain the Kelvin temperature. When Kelvin temperature is given, from that you minus 273, we obtain the degree Celsius temperature. Then one mean solar day is equal to 24 hour is equal to 1440 minutes is equal to 8600 86 sorry 86,400 second. The unit of wavelength is meter, and angstrom unit. The unit of wavelength is meter and the angstrom unit. Different unit is used for the distance, then angstrom, inch, foot, yard. Those are the different units. Furlong, then fathom, then mile, then nautical mile, span, cubits. Those are the different units. So, measuring of small length. So, dear students, you should know the formula how to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So when temperature is given into Celsius, then you have to calculate the Fahrenheit. So Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32, then we obtain the result in the Fahrenheit. If temperature is given in the Fahrenheit and you have to calculate the degree Celsius, then formula is Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. And when degree Celsius temperature is given, in that you add 273, we obtain the Kelvin temperature. And when Kelvin temperature is given, from that you minus 273, then you obtain the result in degree Celsius. This formula you should know. Then a measurement of small length. We have only one coin of 50 paise. Then now can you measure the thickness of coin? Yes. For that we are using the vernier caliper or screw gauge. Those are the two instruments. First one, that is vernier caliper. Second one is the screw gauge. Now, derived quantity. The quantity which are depend on the other, they are called derived quantity. For example, area is depend on length and breadth. Volume is depend on length, breadth, height. So area, volume, like this are the derived units. Then a measurement of area. Suppose we have to calculate the measurement of regular shape. Regular shapes is given, then there are formula. For example, area of rectangular, length into breadth. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into height into base. Now area of irregular surface, we are using the graph paper, and by we draw the boundary line of the irregular object, and we count the complete square and more than half and complete square. Now multiply the area of one square to the total number of squares. Now measuring the volume, the space occupied by the object, that is called volume. So volume of tennis ball is less than the holy ball. Volume of solid regular shape can be calculated by using the formula. The unit is liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter cube or 1 cc, and those are the devices which we are used to measure the volume. Now measure the volume of solid of irregular shape object. For that we are taking the measuring cylinder. Suppose we have taken 50 ml water, then we that in that we are add the irregular shape object, the level is increases. So initial level, the difference in the initial level and final level, we obtain the volume of irregular solid shape. Now measurement of mass. To measure the mass, we are using the beam balance, uh, like this electronic balance, beam balance. After that, density is equal to mass upon volume. Different substance having the different density. Wood is having less density as compared to aluminum is high density, as compare iron is high density, as compare lead is the highest density. So there are four objects are arranged as per the increasing order of their density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Is it okay, my dear students? Now you should know the conversion also. Kilometer, in that we add the multiply by 10. Hectometer, again multiply by 10. Decameter, again multiply by 10. Meter, again multiply by 10. Decimeter, multiply by 10. Centimeter, multiply by 10. Millimeter. Then kilogram multiply by 10, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram, kiloliter. We have to add 10, multiply by 10, hectoliter, decaliter, every time multiply by 10, decaliter multiply by 10, liter multiply by 10, deciliter multiply by 10, centiliter multiply by 10, milliliter. Now from milliliter we have to divide by 10, we obtain the centiliter, divide by 10 deciliter, divide by 10 liter, divide by 10 decaliter, divide by 10 hectoliter, divide by 10 kiloliter. So from left to right we have to multiply by 10, and from right to left we have to divide by 10. So this one is the conversion unit, conversion chart. So dear student, measurement chapter is very important, and every year there are one or two questions which are based on the measurement. I hope you understand this topic, and I have made one short test series on this today's topic. If you are interested to solve that questions, you have to just send me the message. I will share you the link of that test series. Thank you very much.